Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and guide you through the remaining steps of the fuse replacement process. From removing the old fuse to installing the new one, we'll cover all the necessary steps to get your electrical systems running smoothly. Get ready to complete your repair and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Removing and installing a fuse. To start the replacement process, locate the fuse box in your car. Carefully remove the blown fuse using fuse pullers or needle nose pliers. Next, take the replacement fuse and securely insert it into the fuse holder of the corresponding circuit. Ensure the fuse fits snugly to guarantee proper functioning. A loose fuse could lead to intermittent electrical problems in your vehicle. By following these steps to select the correct replacement fuse and install it securely, you can resolve a blown fuse issue in your car efficiently and effectively. Remember, ensuring the right fuse and a secure fit are key to restoring the electrical functions of your vehicle without causing any further damage. Testing the electrical system. Testing the electrical system of your car is crucial to diagnose any issues related to blown fuses. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot the electrical components and ensure your vehicle's optimal performance. Step 1. Visual inspection. Begin by visually inspecting the fuse box to identify any blown fuses. Look for signs of a broken filament inside the fuse or discoloration indicating a blown fuse. Step 2. Testing the fuse. Use a multimeter set to the continuity testing mode to check the fuse for continuity. Place the multimeter probes on each end of the fuse. If there is continuity, the fuse is working. Otherwise, it needs replacement. Step 3. Inspecting other fuses. Check all other fuses in the fuse box for any signs of damage or burnout. Replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage rating to avoid electrical issues. Step 4. Testing the repaired circuit. After replacing the blown fuse, it's essential to confirm that the issue has been resolved. Start the car and check the specific function affected by the blown fuse to ensure proper functionality. Step 5. Testing electrical components. Test various electrical components in your car, such as lights, radio, and power windows, to verify that all systems are working correctly after replacing the fuse. Step 6. Consult a professional. If you encounter persistent electrical issues or are unsure about the diagnosis, it's advisable to consult a professional auto mechanic for a comprehensive inspection and repair. Following these steps to test the electrical system can help you identify and resolve issues related to blown fuses efficiently, ensuring your car's electrical components operate smoothly. Final tips and precautions. When managing your vehicle's fuse box, it's crucial to adhere to safety precautions to ensure a smooth and secure process. Here are some final tips and precautions to keep in mind. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect your vehicle's fuse box to identify any signs of wear or damage. Look out for rust, corrosion, or burnt fuses as these can indicate underlying issues that need attention. Proper maintenance. Maintain your fuse box by keeping it free of dirt, debris, and moisture. Ensure all connections are secure and tight to prevent any loose wiring that could lead to electrical problems. Safety measures. Before attempting to replace a blown fuse, always disconnect the car battery to avoid the risk of electric shock. Be cautious and work in a well-lit area to see clearly and prevent any accidents. Handling fuses. When handling fuses, use insulated tools to prevent any electric shock. Replace blown fuses with the correct amperage rating to avoid damaging the electrical system of your vehicle. Seeking professional help. If you are unsure about replacing a blown fuse or encounter complex electrical issues, it's best to seek the assistance of a professional mechanic. Your safety is paramount, so don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Safety first. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical components in your vehicle. If you are uncertain or uncomfortable with any aspect of the process, it's better to seek professional help than risk injury or damage to your car. Remember, taking the necessary precautions and following the right procedures can help you maintain a functional fuse box and ensure the safety of your vehicle's electrical system. Stay safe and attentive throughout the process to enjoy a hassle-free driving experience. In closing, mastering the art of finding and replacing a blown fuse in your car is a fundamental skill every car owner should have in their arsenal. It not only saves you time and money on unnecessary trips to the mechanic but also ensures that your vehicle's electrical system remains in top-notch condition. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can confidently locate, identify, and replace a blown fuse, as well as test the electrical system for functionality. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your fuse puller, and get ready to tackle basic car maintenance like a pro. Remember, a little know-how can go a long way in keeping your car running smoothly. Happy fixing! As we conclude our two-part series on finding and replacing a blown car fuse, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by tackling simple repairs like this yourself, you can save time and money while gaining a deeper understanding of your vehicle. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and DIY with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.